I'm running late. I just got home from work and had to come change my clothes, and then I'm heading to electronics store to get a smaller tripod, like a travel tripod or something like that, because I'm going to Edinburgh, Scotland. Is it Edinburgh? Edinburgh? It's spelled like Edinburgh, but when I hear people say it, they be saying Edinburgh. Am I doing everything wrong? Anyway, who cares? I gotta go. We're running late. Got my shoes on. Check the fit. You know what I'm saying? Like the little jean on jean, denim on denim. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, let's skedaddle. I think I found the one.
Nächster Kunde, bitte Kasse 2.
Ich mache einmal 250,89.
Mit Karte bitte?
Ja.
Dankeschön. Schönen Abend.
Ebenfalls, Dankeschön. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Hallo.
Okay. Success. Look at my baby. We weren't the same at all. Final stretch. All the way up the stairs. Okay, we finally made it. You know, when I was leaving the store, there was these two girls that came up and asked, "Are you a YouTuber?" She had an accent. I don't know. I mean, it didn't sound like that, but there was an accent there for sure. And I was like, I'm trying. One day, right? You know what I'm saying? One day at a time. She told me, keep it up, because you're really attractive. And I was like, I don't know how to take compliments that well, so I was like, have a nice day, and I just ran off. But here we are. We got the tripod, and we're about to set it up.
They came with the David Blaine pattern, so we jagging weed. I'm trying to farm up some lives green with.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so I just opened the box, and first thing is we have a little accessory box, I'm assuming, filled with, looks like a phone mount. If I wanted to mount my phone on the tripod, I guess the actual mount that goes underneath the camera. Cool. Assuming this is for a microphone of some sort. That's what I would assume that's for. This goes underneath the tripod, so you can like hang a weight if you would like, and an Allen key. Who's Allen? Did Allen make that key? Like, why is it called an Allen key? You know, who makes the names for things? All right, Ooh, this thing is tiny. That's what she said? No, so here, ouch. This is pretty compact, which is exactly what I was looking for. What is this made out of? This looks so nice. Okay, we got it out the box. And first thing I want to say is this just feels like quality. From the rubber on the bottom to whatever this material is, I don't even know. Does it say on the box? It's made out of carbon fiber, so it's not that heavy, but it still feels like a substantial product. It's not too heavy, like something that would be made out of metal, but at the same time, it still feels very solid. Let's unfold it. Looks like it has the upside down folding design when it wants to be the most compact. On the box, it says that the smallest size it can get is 43 centimeters or about 17 inches, which is exactly what I was looking for. At the store, there was only like 3 options. So there's either this or like a Joby tripod, but I don't know, that one just didn't seem as robust. It's called the Manfrotto Me, like a Nintendo Wii character, like a Me, M-I-I. Or is that just M2, you know? I don't know. Who knows? The head spins buttery smooth. Here's a piece that attaches to the camera. It's just gonna slide in right here and we're good to go. All I gotta do is loosen up the top part, slide that thing on in, and we tighten it back up. And just like that, the camera will be secure when it is on here. Looks like it can go into some sort of vertical mode for filming YouTube shorts or TikToks or Instagram Reels or whatever you're into, or all of them to be honest. It has a ball head design so you can really mess with the angles if you really want to. This is my very first Manfrotto product and I am very pleased with the quality. From how smooth this head turns to the materials used in the feet itself. It's all in all very nice. I can already see myself taking this everywhere I go. Just from how small this thing can fold up, about what, 17 inches or I don't remember how many centimeters that was. But I can put it in my book bag because it is so small. This is a pretty small book bag, by the way, too. It's not anything huge. It's just a little book bag I take while I'm going on my travels, and yeah, it fits right in. It's in there, instant replay, and yeah, just like that. It is out of here. Ooh, could it fit in one of the cup holders? No. It's not gonna fit in a cup holder of this bag, but I could easily see this fitting in, you know, maybe a cup holder of maybe a larger bag. Matter of fact, let me just try. Like I said, this bag is not that big. I like it because it's quite compact as well, and taking it on my travels is very, it does fit. It can fit. It fits in the cup holder of this backpack, and holy cow, I was not expecting that at all. Which just leaves more room for me to put more stuff inside the main pocket or compartment of this book bag. I no longer have to perch my camera on random surfaces that it could easily fall off of, and you know, I never really get the angle that I truly want. With this, it's a tripod, so you can put it pretty much everywhere. And yeah, guys, so I can't wait to see y'all. Next time I see y'all, I'll probably be in Edinburgh. Edinburgh. I'll see y'all in Scotland.
Hey guys, just a few things that I forgot to mention. The weight of this tripod is 1.5 kilograms or 3.3 pounds. The maximum carrying capacity is 8 kilograms or 17.6 pounds. The maximum height when unfolded is 160 centimeters or 63 inches. And the only things that I actually mentioned in the video, the most compact size is 43 centimeters or 17 inches. And the material that this is made out of is carbon fiber, or at least the legs are. So yeah, Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed your shift.